Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're told that the parabola with the equation y equals x minus 11 squared intersects the line with the equation y equals 25 at 2 points. We're asked to find the length of AB, which is the distance between these 2 points A and B. Right? If you have the parabola and this line, the length of AB is going to be the distance between A and B, but we'll get to that. First, we have to find the points. So if y is equal to 25 and y is equal to x minus 11 squared, x minus 11 squared is equal to 25 since they're both equal to y. Now, if we take the square root of this, we have the square root of something squared is going to be the thing itself. So we have x minus 11 is equal to the square root of 25 is 5. And then the other option is if x minus 11 is negative, then negative x minus 11 is going to be equal to 5. And to see why that's the case, let's say we're taking the square root of a negative number squared. What is this? Well, this is the square root of negative 4 squared is 16, which is 4. This is not, the square root of negative 4 squared is not negative 4, it's 4, which you can think of as negative 4. Same thing here, if x minus 11 is less than 0, then taking the square root of that squared is going to have to require us to put a negative out front. So, but anyways, we now have two equations where we can solve for x, and that's going to give us a and b. So this one, we add 11 to both sides, we get x is equal to 11 plus 5 is 16. And then over here, if we just multiply both sides by negative 1, this becomes positive x minus 11, and this becomes negative 5. So if x minus 11 equals negative 5, adding 11 to both sides, x is equal to negative 5 plus 11 is the same as 11 minus 5, which is equal to 6. So we know for these 2 points, we have 16 for x and 6 for x, and we know that their y value is both 25, since they're on the line y equals 25. So the 2 points are 16, 6, or sorry, not 16, 6, 16, 25. Again, their y value is 25, and 6, 25. Now, it might be obvious what the distance between these is, but let's just use the distance formula just to be sure. So we have the difference in x squared plus the difference in y squared, and then we take the square root of that, which is going to be the difference in x is 16 minus 6 squared plus the difference in y is 25 minus 25 squared. And then calculating this out, we get the square root of 16 minus 6 is 10 squared plus 25 minus 25 is 0 squared. 10 squared is 100 plus 0 squared is plus 0, so it's still 100. And the square root of 100 is 10. So the distance between these 2 points, A and B, which is the length of the line segment AB, is 10, which is going to line up with answer A. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.